Good morning, everyone. Hope it's a beautiful day to start our learning. Chandini Views welcomes you all for the online class. And let's begin our session with word of the day. And today's word is ambitious. So what does the word ambitious mean? What is the definition? The definition here is strong determination to succeed. So whenever you find someone who is so determined to succeed in life, you can call that person as ambitious. He is an ambitious man. She is an ambitious girl, right? You can use this term in such sentences. So whenever you want to find someone or you say someone who's so determined to succeed, who's so determined on their goal, you can call them as an ambitious man, an ambitious girl, okay? And with that, we can start our session. This is for class 4. Subject here is English. The chapter is 5. And the topic is what I'll be. Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're all doing great. Friends, do you know me? Yes, I'm Shin-chan. Have you ever seen me? Yes, I'm a cartoon character. You might have seen me in your cartoon channels. Do you know why I have come here? I want to share you something funny and interesting. Do you know from where I'm going to share you this? Yes, it is in your Chandini Views channel. Okay, friends, listen to me. Let us have fun while reading a poem. The name of the poem is What Will I Be? Let us go now. Soldier, thief, beggar, rich man, tailor, sailor, tinker, poor man. So we have a lot of options to choose from here, right? You can see a soldier here. You can also see a picture of him. Who is the soldier? The soldier is the one who is protecting our country, right? Isn't it a prestigious job to do? The next one is thief. Who do you think a thief is? Yes, the one who steals money from banks, who steals money from people, right? We call them as a thief. Do you think being a chief is a good thing? Is that a right job? No. And the next thing here is the beggar man. What is a beggar man basically? Beggar man is the one who sits in public places and who begs for money. They are called as beggar man. Rich man. What is a rich man? A rich man is the one who works very hard and who earns a lot of money. Tailor. Who is a tailor? Tailor is the one who stitches your clothes. Who is a sailor? Sailor is the one who sails the ship, right? Who is a tinker? Tinker is the one who puts, puja in the temple. Who is a poor man? A poor man is the one who is underpaid, okay? Who's underpaid than the average salary of a normal man. We call them as a poor man, okay? This is what will be. We have a lot of options here and we are going to be one among those. And what about cowboy, a policeman, jailer, engine driver, or pirate chief? Who is the cowboy? A cowboy is the one who takes care of the cattle, right? Who is a policeman? A policeman is the one who protects us, right? Jailer. Who is the jailer? A jailer is the one who takes care of the inmates in the jail. Engine driver. Who's an engine driver? An engine driver is the one who takes care of the engine, who knows a lot of about engine and stuff, right? Pirate chief. Pirate chief. What is a pirate chief? A pirate chief is the one who takes care of the ship, right? Okay. What about a postman or a keeper at the zoo? What about the circus man who lets the people through? Postman was a postman. A postman is the one who delivers all your post, all your letters, right? A zookeeper. Who is a zookeeper? What is the work of the zookeeper? Zookeeper is the one who takes care of the wild animals kept in the zoo. What about the circus man? Circus man is the one who entertain us, right? And he also lets the people through, right? And the man who takes pennies for the roundabout and swings, or the man who plays the organs, and the other man who sings. But the one who takes penny for taking around and maybe the zoo people charges for such things in the parks, right? So what if I become a man like that? What if I become the man who collects pennies for um, things like these? Or what about the man who plays the organ? So what does playing the organ here mean? Organ is a musical instrument, and there are people who play these instruments and they collect money from people. What if I become a organ player? And what about the other man who sings? So what about the other man who sings? Can I be a singer too? Oh, there's such a lot of things to do and such a lot to be. That's there's always a lot of cherries on my little cherry tree. Okay, after considering all these options, a soldier, a thief, a beggarman, a poor man, a tailor, a sailor, a tinker, a poor man, a policeman, a pirate, a engine driver. So considering all the kind of jobs he has, he is coming to the conclusion that there are a lot of things. There are a lot of things I can do that people do, and there can be a lot of beat, and there can be a lot of people too. In the sense, he can be a sailor, he can be a thief, he can be a beggar, right? He has a lot of options. And he also comes to know that there's always a lot of cherries in the trees on my little cherry tree. You also recognize that he has a lot of cherries on his little cherry tree. So what did you understand from the poem? He is considering a lot of things, but at last he is coming to the conclusion that he has a tree and it has a lot of cherries. So what are they indirectly telling here? Indirectly, he's going to yes, he's going to plant a lot of more cherry trees and he's going to collect the fruits and he's going to sell that. At last, he wants to be that person. At last, that's the kind of person he is. Okay, friends, did you enjoy this poem? Do you know the author of the poem? It is A. Milne. The author of this poem is A. Milne. Okay, friends, I hope you all enjoyed it. Okay, friends, meet you all again with some other interesting topic. Till then, take care, you all. Thank you. Bye.